how I made this mask that will help brighten, tighten, take care of wrinkles, acne, and pimples on your face and make you look more younger and younger in your appearance. If this is the first time you are seeing this face or you are coming across this channel, my name is Ugochukwu Ezinne and you're highly welcome. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so that you always get notified each time I drop a new video, okay? So guys, continue watching as I show you how I made that, okay? So as usual, I have my empty bowl which I'll be using to mix everything. Then I have my turmeric. I am adding just a teaspoon of turmeric. Feel free to add the quantity that would be enough for you depending on where that you are using it for. So I will go ahead and also add my honey. So I'm adding my honey into the turmeric powder. Then the next thing I will be adding is my lemon juice. So I'm just trying to squeeze out the quantity that I need from the lemon juice. And yeah, I got a teaspoon from it and that's just enough for me. After mixing it, I will go ahead to add my rose water, and this is the main liquid that we are adding into this thing. So you just add enough, continue adding, because turmeric tends to thicken up or dry up so quickly, so you have to keep turning and adding the rose water just to make sure that you get a perfect consistency that you need, because if you don't, it will dry up or it will thicken so quick. So you have to mix little by little by adding your rose water and mixing and checking out the consistency. So that's all you have to do until you get exactly what you want. That is exactly how I made this particular mask, and I will go ahead to apply it on my face. So guys, I'm going to wait for it to dry and I will come back after washing. No, I will come back and show you how it looks like after it's dried. And yeah, so you're going to carry this for like 10 to 15 minutes and or till it's dried. It's going to dry because allowing it to dry will help it penetrate into your skin and do its work, okay? So you are going to allow it to dry and penetrate into your skin in order for it to work effectively. So I'm going to wait for it and come back later. So guys, I just wiped it off with my facial wipe. Guys, look at what I have here. You are going to be very careful when you are using this mask, because if you are not, it's going to mess up your clothes and everything that you are using, okay? So you have to be very careful when you are using this mask, okay? So look, try this mask and you are going to see the effectiveness of it. It is very effective, and try doing it often, maybe 2 times in a week, or if you don't really have time for it, you can try it once in a week. Trust me, you will see the effect, okay? It is very effective and you will like the outcome in less than 2 months time, you will like what you see. Okay, so just be consistent, and trust me, you will come back to thank me later. You can just wipe your face and leave it that way, or you use warm water to wash it off. Yeah, you are good to go. I'll be going ahead to wash my face with warm water and also apply my moisturizer. That one is a must now. So if you have watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to try it out. Okay, don't forget to try it out. If there's any ingredient that you are allergic to here, maybe honey or lemon, you can substitute it with another thing, or you just remove that one and try the rest. Okay, so don't forget to like this video. Stay safe out there, and see you in my next video. Bye.